Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin inside the game world. Quickly set mission objectives and route. Load the save slot you labeled for this run and arm lightweight gear that boosts mobility. Speed matters. Once done, cross-check map markers for the penguin cache icon and plan a short path that avoids heavy patrols. You want to enter calmly, not sprint recklessly. That lowers detection. Make sure to note fallback exits and a quick extraction point before you approach the cache area. Move when guards turn away and use shadows or objects for concealment. Patience wins here. If the cache is behind a locked panel, solve the in-game puzzle or reroute power using nearby terminals and watch status lights. Green means ready. Once any alarms are suppressed, open the compartment slowly. If it triggers a mini-event, follow scripted prompts and keep calm. You should manage inventory space now, removing unnecessary items so you can carry key loot without penalty. After grabbing the cache contents, prioritize high-value or mission-critical items, then stow them in a quick-access slot. You exit using the planned low-visibility route. If patrols converge, deploy a timed distraction and move while they investigate. Once clear, head to your extraction marker and confirm mission completion. If the run goes wrong, reload your earlier save and revise your approach, or invite teammates to assist. Reassess gear choices before.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.